if you're new here, my name is Sassy Boo, and this is going to be my very first YouTube video. What you can expect to see here is home decor, interior design, redecorating, do-it-yourselves, all of the above, as you guys join me in my journey of redecorating my brand new home. I am a brand new homeowner. I just purchased this house. Now, just to let you know a little bit about me, I am a mom of 3. I work full-time. I go to school full-time. I also have a part-time online children's clothing store called Moppet's Life. And now I am venturing into this YouTube world in the hopes that you guys join me in my journey of redecorating my home. So if you're into home design, keep on watching. Okay, this is going to be the empty house tour. This is the day we got our keys, and I apologize in advance for the vertical video. We did not know we were going to be filming YouTube videos at this time. This is my kitchen that I am absolutely in love with. I've never had a kitchen this size or an island. And it's the little things that matter. I'm so happy. Now we're going to be walking towards the laundry room. I love all the shelving and storage. I am going to switch it up once we start redecorating this room, but so far it's been great. Now we're going to be headed toward my tia's bedroom. It's the downstairs bedroom, aka my aunt, aka my babysitter, and the guest restroom slash her restroom. There she is right there. And now we're looking at the living room and dining area from the kitchen. So it's a nice open concept, which I love and I've always wanted. So I'm so happy about that. And there is the king of the house waiting for me upstairs. And then here is the loft. This is going to be a multifunctional room. I cannot wait to redo this room with you guys. And there are my 2 littlest ones, my toddlers, in the master bedroom. You know, the master bedroom looks really small without furniture, but once the furniture started coming in, it was like really nice and big. And we both got our own small walk-in closets because, you know, girl, we need our own space. And now we are headed towards the kids' rooms. So this first bedroom here is the shared bedroom. Both my toddlers are going to be in here, boy and girl. That's going to be fun. And then their restroom and my preteens' bedroom. And peekaboo, I had a poll on my Instagram, and Instagram said that they wanted to see the kids' rooms done first. So I've already started doing that and filming that, but you guys let me know on YouTube here, what is it that you guys want to see first? And down to the nitty-gritty goals. First and foremost, make this house a home. Of course, we gotta live here. We gotta make it homey, perfect, not just another house. And find my style. I love industrial, I love farmhouse. Those are my 2 main styles, but I love so many other styles too. Sometimes I confuse myself, and so we need to hone it in. And I have 11 spaces that we are for sure guaranteed to decorate, and I'm super inspired to do. And last but not least, I want to learn to DIY more stuff because I think it's so much fun to do stuff your own, and it just gives those nice special touches. And now the inspiration. Like I said, I love industrial, I love farmhouse, I love those dark woods and the earthy tones, and I love the whole vibe of like the coldness of industrial mixed with the warmth of farmhouse mixed together. That is my vibe, that is my jive. And if you want to decorate with me, and if you like this style, then please subscribe or consider subscribing and like this video. Thanks. And now I wanted to show you guys what our lived-in house looks like. We are a month and a half in. We moved on June 1st, 2020, and it is August something-ish now. Here is the lived-in situation as of right now. I got our sofa. I got a few stuff hanging on the wall. I painted this wall, and I did this wall feature of the wood panels. And I can show you guys how to do that if you'd like. Please let me know down below. We are going to be redecorating that closet there, the storage closet. Here's an up close of the wall that I did all by myself. I was so proud. These are the photos, the canvas photos that I got printed at Walgreens. Oh my god, you guys. They have 70% off sometimes, and these are dirt cheap and really, really good quality. I highly suggest you go to Walgreens to get your photo canvas prints done. Not sponsored, by the way. And here is my Pottery Barn table that I love so much. Oh my god, you don't even know. I am so anal about this stupid table. My poor kids, they're like, ah. Speaking of which, here's my daughter being a little booger. And you see all the mess around the house. This is what I have to deal with. I'm sure every mom has to deal with. This is typically what it looks like when I walk through the door. And here is the lived-in master bedroom. I want to paint that back wall black. I know, drama, but I'm so into it. And I need to organize everything up on that dresser. I need to get new side tables because ours are like janky. As you can see, everything's just very blah right now, and we really need to spice things up and make it nice. This is my pre-teens bedroom. This is the room we're considering doing first. So if you want to see that, it's gonna probably be the next video. He is 11 and he wants an ocean themed room. I just got home from work. Let's see what mess my kids have for me.